Hi there, Scott with SkipperBud's up in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here's one of our 2024 Aria. It's a Barletta Aria 20UC in black. Beautiful, beautiful color. It does have pop-up cleats here. Your navigation lights. This comes standard with the power bimini. Particular boat we have equipped with a 60 horse command thrust. Bigger prop there. It does have a depth finder, does have 25-inch pontoon logs. And here you can see it's the UC layout, so this bed will actually move back and forth. So you can have it in a lounge position. You can also lay it all the way flat. There's storage underneath all three of those seats. Here you get the nice laid out helm, does come with Lowrance. Boat is rated for 8 people. Let's come with a Hertz Bluetooth stereo as well. Nice cup holders with USB. Does have the doggy gate, doggy dock view. Get all rotocast constructed seat bases. Dual captain's chair layout, so of course you got plenty of seating on this boat. Nice door there to lock off the cabin. So very nice boat. Excellent layout. Great boat to get out on the water. So if you have any further interest in this boat or any other boat on our SkipperBud's website, please give us a call.